The Commonwealth champion for the women's 53kg weightlifting would be decided on day 2. Papua New Guinea's Dika Tua was hoping to go one better than the silver she picked up in the 2006 Games in Manchester. And she showed her intent, equalling the Games record early in the competition. India's Swati Singh was up next.
So now, the first attempt at a Commonwealth Games record of these championships, and it's Swati Singh of India to take on the Commonwealth snatch record of 82 kilos. And job done.
And that's the first record we've seen fall of these games here in Glasgow.
In the clean and jerk part of the competition, it became a battle of attrition between Tua and the young Nigerian Chika Amalaha.
Now, this is where the pressure really comes on the youngster. All this noise and excitement around her, and she's had to put it out of her mind. 4 kilo increase. This takes her to 196. And then what that forces is a 4 kilo increase for Dika Tua because of the body weight.
So there's no question she has the strength to do this, but is she going to do it in the moment that it counts? Yes, she did. No problem.
Asked and answered. From silver, she's back into gold. If Dika Tua makes this 115, she is champion of the Commonwealth, a lifetime ambition realized. If she fails, the 16-year-old sensation will
She's
take
not
the
going to
title.
fail today, David.
No games now. Oh, it's gone to Nigeria. It's gone to Nigeria. And she is the silver medalist, I'm afraid, Dika Tua, for a second time.
And you can see that was her whole career put into one lift. She gave it everything, and she's got to be proud of that. Great for her.
16 years of age. Chika Amalaha.
Only lifting for 3 years. Who knows what the future holds for this amazing athlete?
Clear leader after the snatch element of the men's 62kg weightlifting event was Cyprus's Dimitris Minasidis. The 25-year-old former European Championship silver medalist then had to have 2 attempts at hoisting 151 kilograms in the clean and jerk. It was a huge effort that left the Cypriot poised for victory. Samoa's Oceania champion Vaipava Ioane was struggling down in 9th place after the snatch. He certainly found his strength at the 156kg level to climb into the bronze medal position. Ioane sought even greater inspiration in attempting to lift 160 kilos. If successful, he would take silver position. But the task proved beyond him. Minasidis proudly claims Cyprus's first ever weightlifting medal. Sri Lanka's Sudesh Pares lifted silver. Ioane settled for bronze. The audience in the Hydro Arena was captivated by the high level of performance in the individual all-round final in rhythmic gymnastics, personified by the brilliant 17-year-old Patricia Bezubenko from Vancouver, Canada.
She needs just 13 points.
She's a phenomenal gymnast. Let's see if she can deliver of her very best. Sit back and watch. Phenomenal, outstanding, what can you say, breathtakingly beautiful.
And surely we've just witnessed the performance of the all-around champion, Glasgow 2014, Rhythmic Gymnastics, Patricia Bezubenko. Yes, she had a lead, but she had plenty of pressure as the last competitor up. And I think she has assured herself of the gold medal ahead of the two Welsh competitors, Frankie Jones and Laura Halford. It's been a terrific competition, and she's been a highlight.
Very little to fault from this routine. It had it all. Beautiful expressiveness, high level of difficulty, and the execution done so well. Here's the wrist throw from the foot, and she sends it to its perfect destination, exactly where she wants it.
Phenomenal artistry all round, really. Up there with Freddie Mercury's performance quality, and you saw it, really is world-class rhythmic gymnastics.
Well, the show must go on was the track, and she's put on a show here, that's for sure. Patricia Bezubenko, originally from Vancouver, moved to Russia, trains most of the time in Moscow, and into first she goes with a 14.8, and there is your gold medalist. Silver and bronze, an historic day for Wales.